good, man. Yeah, I took it off. Oh, it bounced off actually. I'm not really sure what I hit, hey?
Well, just lost the front wheel out?
Yeah, I mean, obviously that.
You okay though?
Yeah, a little bit of a sore wrist, but not hurt. Just strained from falling. Coming down this line here, I think the front wheel hit this. Real spongy shit. And the front wheel cock to the right. Both basically laid me over and I ended up in the ditch down there. Oh well. Hilarious. Wouldn't be a ride without someone falling off.
Exactly. One of the two of us has to break down as well.
KTM's though, man. Won't happen.